Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and we're just going over ideas for our backyard since that was not completed with the house as part of its new construction. So the front yard came as part of the house and it's beautiful. We're really happy with it. It has some nice trees and some nice bushes, nice grass, and it looks very nice and professionally done. So now we're thinking about what we want to do for the backyard and even the side yard, considering I would like some more space for parking and working on vehicles. And so we're kind of taking some ideas from the front yard and things that we've seen. And right now, we're using the front yard to play with a little bit of water, and there's just not a lot of room. So we're excited to have a backyard in where we could play with the water and enjoy life with a little bit more space. And so on the side yard here, you can see it's just dirt and a bunch of weeds. And I really don't like pulling all the weeds because I feel like it's a waste of time, and eventually if we're gonna grade it all back here anyway, I'll let the weeds get taken out at that time. So we've gone through with some spray paint and made some initial thoughts of what we want to do here. And so there's a really nice awning type gazebo, and this is over at Lowe's. We've had our eye on it. It comes back every year and then it goes on sale. So we actually were able to get it for a very good deal. It's 800 pounds, so they're going to drop it off. But we're going to have a cement pad poured for it right here on the left-hand side. That's kind of what we're thinking. And then we're going to move on to putting in some grass over here in kind of the middle of the yard. And we don't want too much grass. Seems like in our last houses we've always put in too much grass. Now we're just going to expand the patio here. You can see where we would just want it to be more cement. And over in the corner we might do some kind of a place thing for the baby so that she can play
and
there.
I've seen
and then
some really nice red rock
on the other side of the house
in the neighborhood.
So
I want to do that.
Anyway, that's kind of the basic idea along the whole back
make
wall.
A really cool contrast.
You want to do
have
some
black
nice
lava
rocks
rock with the red rock.
Very low
that's
maintenance
native
to this area, and just keep kind of the desert theme that we have here going. And so that's one of my favorite parts of the neighborhood is the nice shrubbery. And then of course, as we were saying, just pave this whole side here in cement for working on the vehicles. So anyway, that's where we are now. I'm very happy that it's starting to cool down and fall is approaching, and so we're just ready for some cooler temperatures where we can actually want to be outside instead of trapped in the house. So anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'll keep progress coming on the backyard. Thanks guys.